Many people set goals but give up when it gets hard. How do you sustain your motivation?
Motivation is not a feeling you wait for. It's a result of a clear and compelling why. If your why, your reason for doing something, is big enough and connected to a greater purpose, the how will take care of itself. You don't need motivation, you need purpose.
What is the biggest misconception people have about making money?
That it's the goal. Money is simply a tool for allocating resources. It's a means to an end, like a scoreboard in a game. If you only stare at the scoreboard, you'll never play the game effectively. Focus on creating immense value, and the score will take care of itself.
So, should young entrepreneurs not think about money at all?
Think of it as oxygen. You need it to survive and climb higher. But if you spend all your time just thinking about breathing, you'll never actually climb the mountain. Secure enough oxygen to keep going, but keep your eyes on the summit.
What does a truly effective daily routine look like for you?
It's not about a rigid schedule of every minute. It's about prioritizing your time on the one or two things that will create the most leverage. Ask yourself every morning, if I accomplish only one thing today, what would make the biggest difference? Then, protect that time fiercely.
How do you deal with distractions and information overload?
Create a low-information diet. Ruthlessly curate the information you consume. Most news and social media are not relevant to your goals. They are noise. Focus on signal, the knowledge that directly helps you solve your most important problems.
What did your biggest failure teach you?
It taught me that failure is not a full stop. It's a comma. It's a data point. When a rocket explodes, we don't give up. We gather the pieces, analyze the data, and learn exactly what not to do next time. Each failure is a tuition fee you pay for a priceless lesson.
How can someone overcome the fear of public embarrassment that comes with failing?
You must realize that people are too busy thinking about themselves to remember your failures for long. The embarrassment is temporary, but the regret of not trying lasts a lifetime. The opinion of people who don't dare to try themselves is irrelevant.
Where do the best ideas come from?
They live at the intersection of different fields. Don't just study physics or just business. Study physics, philosophy, engineering, and history. The new connections you form between these unrelated fields are where true innovation is born.
What future technology are you most excited about that people don't talk enough about?
Neuralink and the merging of biological and digital intelligence. It's not just about treating diseases, it's about the fundamental expansion of human capability, of how we communicate and process information. It's the next step in human evolution.
What is a book that fundamentally changed your perspective?
The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. It taught me that the universe is vast, strange, and that the most important questions are often the ones we haven't thought to ask yet. It embedded in me a sense of cosmic curiosity.
What quality do you value most in the people you work with?
Relentless problem solving. Not talent, not credentials, but the sheer determination to figure things out, to never be stuck, to tear down a wall with their bare hands if they have to. That is invaluable.
How do you define a meaningful life?
A meaningful life is one where you have a positive net effect on the future of consciousness. It's about expanding the scope and scale of what humanity can achieve. Are you leaving the world better than you found it? That is the ultimate metric.
Is there a place for spirituality in a world driven by science and technology?
Absolutely. Science is the method for understanding how the universe works. Spirituality, or a sense of awe, is the emotional response to that understanding. Realizing the incredible complexity and beauty of the cosmos through science is a deeply spiritual experience for me.
If you could only give one piece of advice to the next generation, what would it be?
Think for yourself. Do not accept dogma. Question everything, especially the rules. Reason from first principles. The future is not a path you follow, it's a ground you build. Now go out there and build something new.
Thank you for your time and wisdom, Mr. Musk.
Keep pushing the boundary. The future needs you.